Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Kenya with BK Trading Academy, and in today's video, we're hopping into a very important topic. What are some of the most common mistakes that beginner traders make? This is so important because I remember as a beginner trader, if there were a lot of things that would have been revealed to me, especially through a trusted mentor, I would have very much saved a lot of time and probably heartache if I just had known from the beginning. There's a lot of things that I didn't know. And so if you are a new or beginner trader, I want to share some really important things with you that most traders make that's going to help you in your journey in getting started. So let's discuss what are some of the most common mistakes that traders make in their trading journey, especially when first getting started. Common mistake number one is not having a trading plan. And you know what? This just really brings up an aha moment for me because it is Monday. I'm here in my office, and it's crazy to think that years ago, I never imagined that I could be where I am today. I remember when I was waking up, going to a job that I didn't like. I was seeking to be promoted. I was being passed over promotions time and time again. I finally got promoted to get the dream job that I wanted and then got laid off. Went through multiple layoffs. So, putting in all of this hard work to get multiple degrees. I have a PhD, so I have the highest degree in business. I've also led in prestigious organizations and have been at the top of the ladder only to be let go. And so to look at where I am now, I can say that I have only been able to get to where I am because of finally developing a trading plan and sticking to that plan. Discipline did not come overnight, and it doesn't for any of us, but really learning how to stick to a well-crafted plan, testing that plan over and over again is what really helped me to continue to grow and eventually take this full time. Many traders will jump into trading and they don't have a plan. Your trading plan should outline your goals, your risk tolerance, and your strategy. So without having a plan, you're essentially flying blind and you're making impulsive decisions, which will lead you to blow your account. All right, mistake number two is over leveraging. Using too much leverage can amplify your gains, but it can also amplify your losses. Beginners often get tempted with the potential for really big gains, so they take on more risk than they can handle. So you always want to be cautious with leverage and only take on the amount of leverage that you can handle for your size account. Now, the next mistake that a lot of traders make are lack of risk management. I would say this is probably the number one downfall for a lot of traders. You always want to use some form of a stop loss, or you need to know how you're going to protect your capital if you're not going to use a hard stop loss. What I mean by a hard stop loss is going into your trading platform and manually inputting where you are going to exit the market if the trade does not go your way. You have to have some type of system in place that you know exactly what to do, what rules to follow when the trade doesn't go your way. If you don't, it's just a matter of time before you blow your account. I don't care about any of these big YouTubers out here telling you that you can make $50,000 from a $250 account. If you notice, a lot of people who say these things online, they will not tell you any type of risk management plan with that, which tells you that a lot of these people are gambling in the market. And yes, that might work for you maybe 1, 2, or 3 times, but it is not a plan to long-term trading success. So you want to manage your risk wisely. And if you don't know how to do that, you really have to stop and hone in on your risk management. Find a mentor, find a program, self-educate, or either invest in education, and you have to get the proper skill. If you don't, you're not going to trade profitably. Now, the next common mistake that a lot of traders make is not understanding the market. Jumping into trades without understanding the underlying market conditions. There's certain fundamental reports that you have to look out for. News is always happening. So you need to be abreast of these things and know how to maneuver around them when these conditions do happen. A lot of traders don't know this. So they get into a trade and certain market conditions happen and they panic. They prematurely close trades, or they sit out of the market just sitting on the sidelines in fear, afraid to place a trade because they don't understand how the market is performing or why it is performing a certain way. Another common mistake is letting your emotions drive your decisions. Now, trading can be deeply emotional when you have money on the line. Fear and greed are very powerful emotions that many of us struggle with, right? Let's just keep it real. So you need some type of plan in order to keep you on track. You need to have that plan in front of you every single day when you trade. You need to open it up and constantly be looking at your rules. Are you going to be 100% disciplined? Probably not. But the goal is over time that when you see how you perform when you're disciplined, it's going to encourage you to do the right thing. When you don't do the right thing, you're going to remember and you're going to learn the lesson behind that mistake and allow it to make you better, because none of us are perfect. You want to learn from your mistakes and learn how to get better. Now, the last few mistakes are: 1, chasing losses. You never want to chase losses. That's called revenge trading. So if you have a loss or even a big loss, you don't want to get back into the market, put more money on a trade. That's usually going to cause you to result in bigger losses, which you don't want, which is going to cause you to become frustrated and possibly give up. So during those times, it's best to sit aside, realize what you did wrong, and come back stronger once you have another opportunity to enter a high probability trade that's likely to go your way. The last thing that I would say is a very big common mistake that a lot of traders make when getting started or throughout their trading journey is not keeping a trading journal. Keeping a journal helps you to track your trade, analyze your performance, know where you need to make revisions, or know what you need to keep doing that's already working. It's an invaluable tool for continuous improvement. If you don't have that, you're not going to know where you're going. You're not going to know if your strategy is working perfectly for you, or if it's not working, you need to maybe find something else that's going to better suit you. You won't know these things. You'll constantly go in circles, hopping from one strategy to another, listening to one person to another. You'll just feel all over the place. So those are some things that you really want to focus on. And that is it. Those are the few things I wanted to share with you in terms of common mistakes that a lot of traders make. I hope that you find this helpful in your journey wherever you are. If you are a new or a struggling trader, I want to encourage you to check out BK Trading Academy. All of our information is in the description of this video. We have an awesome program that takes you from the beginning phase to the absolute advanced phase. We provide you with high probability, 90% performance strategies where we have proven results and statistics. Many of our student testimonials will prove that our programs work, our system work, and all you have to do is follow the system. So I hope that you found this video helpful. Don't forget to smash that like button. Also subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our future videos, and I will look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, I know I got problems, and I don't know where to go. I don't wanna put the blame on you.